Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a reflection to a picture in Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your iCloud Keynote. Then create your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now I add a new slide. Now I add reflection to a picture. At first I have to insert a picture. Click here and click choose media icon. Now find your image. Then press open. Now resize this image and go to show or hide format and style option. Now you can see here a reflection option. Just press it. Now increase this reflection to 100%. Now I decrease here. Now you can see I add a reflection to a picture in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.